Today we're going to discuss communication lighting and ambient lighting. You can access the communication and ambient lighting through car and then comfort. And here you can see both. Let's start with communication lighting. You can turn it on and off here. You can also adjust the brightness from regular to strong or weak. You also can turn on and off a number of the categories that are visualized by the communication lighting. There's a greeting animation and a farewell animation. There is an adjustment when you change between the drive modes. As you can see, each drive mode has its own color profile and visualization. There is also a visualization for launch control, a visualization for the charging process, when you lock and unlock your vehicle. You also have Porsche Voice Pilot as well. Hey Porsche, I'm cold.
It'll get warmer in a minute.
You also have a visualization for egress warner, and this is when someone is walking up from behind on your driver or passenger side, and then also for lane change and turn assist as well. In addition to what you see here, there's also a vehicle alarm visualization. Let's head back to our ambient lighting. Now for ambient lighting, you can turn it on and off from this location. You can adjust the color here from cold white to warm white, dark orange, poppy red, topaz blue, Atlantis, and lime green. You can also adjust the brightness overall, or you can adjust individual areas by moving this slider. You can also sync your ambient lighting with your theme. To do so, you can select themes and then pair with ambient lighting. You now can adjust the communication and ambient lighting in your new Macan Electric.